Hi guys, Elmer, your fire protection guy. I'm doing some tests in the evacuation system. This is an emergency warning system. It does not have a whip phone, a red phone. So it's called an EWS. Now what I'm doing is testing the decibel level of speaker in front of the residential door. That is a residential unit. And above it, there's a speaker. Next one there, and another one here. So what I need is to have a 100 decibel, according to the new standard for new buildings, 100 decibel the door to meet the requirement and so it can be compliant. But if you look on this, here is my fire panel. There's also a standard that's saying you're not allowed to have a 75 decibel here in front of the panel. So this is already a non-compliant area. Okay? But what I'm getting is I cannot meet the requirement of the 100 decibel in every front door. I'll give you the result. Can you say that again? What lift number? What's the unit number? 418. Okay. This is only a test. I repeat, this is only a test. Then evacuation. So one of my boys there, he had the decibel meter. So your reading is 88. Copy? Okay. So that's fail. So we keep on going and going and going. Next one, 417, unit 417, in front of the door of unit 417. This is only a test. I repeat, this is only a test. Now the evacuation again. And then I will get the reading. You got 90 decibel, copy, 90. Okay, that's another fail. Now, I'll tell you later how we can fix this problem. Another unit. Okay, I will tell you later how we can fix that problem. This is one particular result. One is building C, and if you will see that all of them fail the 100 decibel. Building C lift 6 and building C lift 5. The other one have a good reading of 92, 93, 95 and still they don't comply. So we need to, they came from one amplifier. That means we have a good amplifier. So how we can solve this problem? Another reading. So in this one, building D lift number 8, see, I'm getting 105, 106 decibel. That is really good result. And the other one, 105 decibel, 93, 92. So that most of the speakers, their output of the speaker fail. Okay, so let's start solving the problem. Okay, the first you're going to do is check the capacity of the amplifier, the rating of the amplifier before you do any conclusion. Because, for example, if you want to increase the wattage of the speaker and but your amplifier is the capacity is low, you cannot do that. So that means you're going to change the amplifier. Alright? So let's zoom in. Let's give an example. Though this is the amplifier. Let's pull out one. Again, you can only pull it hot, it's okay. But putting it back, you have to shut down the whole system. I'll just give an example. Let's try to locate which one is the, for example, this one. I'll pull this out. It's really hard to pull out. Let's see which one. What? Okay, that's for the basement. Silence. Okay, let's try this one. And that's for block D. Okay, that's block D. That's one power problem. Silence. Let's pull this out totally and let's see what's the wattage of this amplifier. Oops. Alright, I'll pull that out later on. Okay? Okay, so this is my amplifier. In the amplifier, there is a bridge here. Setting of 50 watts or 100 watts. So if you want to increase the capacity of this amplifier, you just remove the bridge and put it to 100 watts. Right now, let's put it back to 50. At least you know your boundaries. Okay, so this is your speaker lines. Speaker line look like bridge together. That means two lines. Maybe building A and C, I don't know. Alright, so that bridge. So that's your speaker line. So you're going to measure, pull this out, get your impedance meter and check the load of this line. So if your load is less than 50 watts, for example, you got only 20 watts, that means you can increase the setting of the speaker. Okay? Same as the other speaker lines. Okay, if your problem is the speaker line or this is speaker line for the building where you're working, pull that out, measure the impedance. Okay, then do your computations. Okay, an example. So once you use your impedance meter and then, for example, your reading is 20 watts, but your amplifier is 50 watts, so you have 30 watts as a buffer, so you still can increase your speaker. In the speaker, there is a setting. There is a 0.33, 0.6, 1, 1.25, and 5 watts. You can increase the setting. By increasing the setting, you can increase your speaker output. Alright, and then you're going to meet your 100 decibel. So at least now, before you quote the job, you know what to do. So you don't promise your customer. What you're going to say is, this is our plan. If we did not meet that, probably our chances is might increase the speaker again. Your speaker probably, if you buy the speaker, the output, the actual model of the speaker is telling you the maximum output is that you can get is 90 decibel. That's a problem. So that means you have to change the speaker. So the output will be 100 decibel or more. Okay? If your speaker, that's the maximum output. So you cannot do anything. Change the speaker. But as you go along, since in our result there is 105, 103, that means all the speaker here, they can meet the 100 decibel. It's just the proper setting. You have the problem with the setting. So in this building, you solve one. The amplifier has the capacity, 50 watts. The building is not that big, so if your impedance measurement is okay, so one solution. So some of the speaker can meet 105, 102. What's the solution? Change the setting of the speaker and you solve the problem. And sorry, I cannot show it to you right now because I have to do the code and then I will do other stuff, etc., etc. once the customer approve, and then I can make another video for that. Alright? I hope you learned something today. This is Elmer, your fire protection guy. See you next time.